So as a learner, you can be given something like this. They can say, "Would you have something basic? This one is basic. It's one inequality." So they can say you have 2x plus 1, which is going to be less than 1. This is one thing. Now, if we compare this one and this one, how do they differ with each other? And then I'm also going to take an opportunity to remind learners how to represent this thing on a number line, because we should also know that. No? So if I take this here, and then they ask me, okay, what is going to be the answer of this thing here? I'm going to take this one to this other side. If I take the one to this other side, it says 2x is less than 1 minus 1. 0. No? I'm dividing by 2. I'm dividing by 2. It says which x is not equal to x is less than what? 0. Less than. What do I mean? Less than, smaller than. So I'm looking for x values which are smaller than what? Than 0. So we're going to put this a. We're going to put this on the number line. If you put this on the number line, you have 0 here. Now, values that are less than 0, you're either going to put to the positive side or you're going to the negative side. Less than 0, where am I going? Positive or negative side? Negative. I'm going to use a hollow dot because it's less than, it's not less or equals to. So it's less than. And then I'm going in this direction. So this is me representing this thing in a what? In a number line. Yeah, it's not included because I used a hollow dot. You know? Now let's look at this one here. With this one is slightly complicated because we are given two inequalities at once. Now, if it's complicated for you, you can separate them. You can do it this way. You can say I have minus 5, no? Which is going to be greater or equals to 3x minus 2. This is the first equation. What is the other one? The other one starts from here, it ends here. The other one says 3x minus 2 is going to be less than 7. That's the other one. So you have two sets of equations here. That's if it's complicated for you to do them concurrently. But the best way is for you to do them same time. So how are you going to do this then? Look at this. We're going to take this 2 to this other side. It's negative. If it jumps the inequality, it becomes what? Positive. But whatever I do on this equation here, I'm also going to do it on this equation. So whatever I'm doing here, I'm also going to do it on that one. So if I take the minus 2, what remains then? What is going to remain is 3x. Now you take this one to this other side, it becomes what? So basically you have minus 5 plus 2. And then with this one here, you have 7 plus 2. Everyone still happy then? Yeah. We're not looking for 3x, we're looking for what? Yes. So you divide by 3, you divide by 3, you divide by 3. Now, you see, I'm solving them concurrent. You can see that. Whatever I'm doing this side, I'm also doing this side. So 3 and 3, they are going to divide each other out. Less or equals to this one. So this one, it says negative 1. This one is 3. Ne? Sure. Now let's represent this on a number line. Now they didn't say, I'm showing you, I'm sure we're preparing for exam here. So let's say after getting the answer, you need to represent it on a number line. On the number line, here's what you're going to have. You're going to have minus 1. And then you're also going to have what? 3. Now, here, because it's in between there, you're going to have here, it's included. You see this one is included. We're going to come and shade here. This one is shaded. This one here, it's just less than. So it's not going to be shaded, it's going to be a hollow. And then in between, you're going to connect them with a line. Then what does this mean? X is greater than minus 1, but X is less than what? 3.